If you're tired of squinting your way through life, unable to see things as clearly as you'd like, well, you're going to want to pay close attention to this next segment as we meet up with Eyecare Medical Group to learn more about laser vision correction. Joining me today is Dr. Bruce Cassidy. Hi, Dr. Cassidy.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. So, Eyecare Medical Group is a comprehensive center for vision correction, but a lot of what you do is LASIK surgery. How long have you been performing these surgeries?
Well, in fact, we've been doing it for at least 15 years. Our treatments and our techniques have certainly evolved until the latest and greatest lasers on the market.
All right, well, what types of vision problems can you correct with this surgery?
Basically, anyone that doesn't see clearly without their glasses, whether they're nearsighted, farsighted, or have astigmatism, generally are all candidates for this surgery.
All right, well, how do I know then if I would be a strong candidate for LASIK?
Well, the first thing you would want to do is come in and have a free screening. And that's where we examine your eyes, find out, for instance, how nearsighted you were, whether or not you were a candidate, and then set up an appointment for a consultation with one of the doctors.
Having LASIK done, it's an overnight transformation of your vision, and it's really strange because I've been wearing contact lenses for approximately 20 years. It's just remarkable. I couldn't really be more pleased with any of it.
Okay, so what's the day look like for the day of the surgery?
So day of surgery, you'd come in, we spend about 15 minutes getting you all set to go, little medication to calm your nerves, and then into the LASIK room where there's a wonderful group of staff who will really make you feel very comfortable. You come out after surgery, you actually can see, and then we would examine your eyes, make sure that everything looks perfect, and home you go.
And is there a follow-up examination after that day?
Sure is. That's the really very important part. The next morning you come in and see us. We hope you're smiling and you're happy. We'd like to see 20/20 vision, and that's again just to make sure that everything looks perfect.
During the surgery, everything was explained to me, everything they were doing during the surgery. Since then, I've just been walking around looking at everything and a nice, crisp, clear vision. It's been wonderful.
In your opinion, what sets you apart from others that are doing this type of surgery in the area?
Well, I think that we have a true team here, a team approach. We have 4 physicians again, and all our staff are familiar with the procedure and what we do, so that there's always someone available 24/7 to help take care of you.
I think what makes the team of LASIK surgeons here at Eyecare Medical Group so impressive is that it's a combination of experience and also innovation. There have been 3 areas where we've seen great improvements in LASIK surgery. The first is in patient measurements, and we use the Galilei imaging system in order to get a very precise map of a person's cornea and decide what would be the best treatment for them. The next area is in terms of creating the actual flap. Rather than using a blade, we now use a laser which uses millions of pulses of light to actually create the flap. And the last area, and probably the most important, is in the laser that actually gives the LASIK treatment. And we use the Wavelight Allegretto 400 Hertz laser. Now that 400 Hertz means that it delivers pulses of light 400 times a second and tracks the position of the eye to give a very precise treatment.
All right, what do you find is the most rewarding part of your job, what you do day in and day out?
It's always the post-op day 1 when someone comes in and they're beaming and they're smiling and maybe they're seeing 20/20 or better. It's very exciting. They're really happy with the results, and that makes me happy.
No, I bet it does. Thank you so much, Dr. Cassidy, for talking with me today.
You're so welcome.
Your vision is precious. Go ahead, see life more clearly with the help of Eyecare Medical Group. If you'd like more information on LASIK surgery, you can go to their website. It's eyecaremed.com.